Good morning. I'm Leonard van Rijn from Zeres, the Northwest. We have a family farm in Northwest in South Africa where I helped for 3 years and gained my experience in corn, wheat, sunflower, soybeans, silage and teff. With my South African experience, we had stud, cattle, Draadmaster and Borana. I've done my N2 in welding, steelworks and mechanics, so I'm able to do minor services, oil changes and brake pads, and so on. I'm able to drive trucks. I drove on the farm, open roads and to the silos of the harvesting, cattle body trucks, livestock trucks, Volvo, MAN, Mercedes, and with side tippers, low bed, double axle, but I don't have a license in code 14. I can work with a disc plow, harrow seed and drill, dam scrapers, ripper, chisel plow, and the seeding equipment is cultivation equipment, hay and forage equipment. I have experience in grain cart driving with the John Deere 8335R with bulk side trailers, AgriCat 24,000 liter grain carts, and the John Deere 6950 double wheel and the Landini 7240 V-shift 4-wheel drive John Deere 6R series, and the combine harvesters. I have experience in the John Deere S760 and the Case 8250, and combine harvester crops I have harvested is the sunflower, corn, soybeans, and I have sprayed with the Jacto Advanced sprayer, the pull behind sprayer, the 1000 liter. I have solid manure spreading and liquid manure spreading experience. I know how to mix chemicals such as anhydrous ammonia fertilizers with calcium nitrate, ammonium nitrate, and potassium nitrate, and the herbicide, fungicide, insecticides. I have experience with the forage equipment, round baler, square baler, rake, forage chopper, and I'm able to stack silage. We have cattle, stud, Draadmaster and Borana on the farm. I have experience with the castration, with the Bardezzo clamp and the Laster rings, managing and keeping a record of cattle, implementing biosecurity measures, assisting in breeding programs, and helping during calving season, detecting illnesses like ketosis, potassium, and so on.